Good day, viewers. My name is Mr. Kevanu. Welcome to our third lesson for Life Science, Grade 9. Today's topic will be the classes of phylum chordata. Our learning objectives: learners should be able to identify and describe the features of the 5 major classes of the phylum chordata. Today we will look at the features of the 5 classes of the phylum chordata. Phylum chordata belongs to the kingdom Animalia. It includes all the vertebrates, which are animals with a backbone, and some invertebrates. Invertebrates are organisms without a backbone. There are 5 major classes in the phylum chordata. The 5 classes of the phylum chordata are Pisces, or also known as fish, Amphibian, Reptilia, Aves, also known as birds, and Mammalia. Examples of the animals belonging to class Pisces, also known as fish, are sharks, goldfish, tilapia fish, and many more that I am sure you also know. Let us look at the features of Pisces. They are aquatic. Their bodies are covered by scales. Their bodies are streamlined to swim in water. They have gills to breathe and gaseous exchange. The gills are covered by operculum, which protects them. They have different fins for swimming. For example, pectoral and pelvic fins, dorsal fins, and caudal fins. They are cold-blooded, also known as poikilothermic. They have a lateral line for detecting movements in water. The next class we will discuss is the class amphibians. Examples of amphibians are frogs, newts, toads, salamanders, and many more that you may know. Let us look at the features of amphibians. They can live both on land and in water. Their bodies are divided into head, body, and sometimes tail. Their skins are soft, slimy, and naked without scales. They breathe through their gills, lungs, and skin or buccal cavity. Their eyes are protected by movable eyelids. They are cold-blooded, also known as poikilothermic. Let us have a look at the class Reptilia, which includes, for example, snakes, lizards, turtles, crocodiles, and chameleons, to name a few. The following are the features of Reptilia. Reptilians are terrestrial animals, but some are aquatic with dry and scaly skin. The scales help to prevent loss of water. Their bodies can be divided into head, neck, body, and tail. Some have legs for movement, but snakes have none and move by using their stomachs. Breathing and gaseous exchange take place only with the help of lungs. Reptilians are cold-blooded animals. Reptilians are generally oviparous, meaning they give birth to their young. A few snakes are viviparous, meaning they lay eggs. Their eggs are rubbery-shelled. The next class in the phylum chordate is Aves, also known as birds. This class includes a wide range of examples, and I'm sure you can name at least 10 more. The following are the features of Aves. Their bodies are streamlined and divided into head, trunk, and tail. The long tail helps in balancing the body. Their bodies are covered with feathers. Their forelimbs are modified into wings. Their hind limbs are adapted for perching, walking, and swimming. Scales are sometimes present on legs. Their bones are porous, which reduces their weight and helps in flying. They have a beak, which is used for eating and for preening, manipulating objects, killing prey, fighting, probing for food, courtship, and feeding their young. They have lungs for breathing and gaseous exchange. They lay hard-shelled eggs which are incubated by the parents via constant body temperature. They are homothermic, which means they maintain a constant body temperature. The last class in the phylum chordata that we will look at is the class mammals. This class also includes a wide range of animals, for example, mice, monkeys, koala, whales, lions, human beings, dolphins, and many more. Yes, this is the group that we belong to. The following are the features of mammals. Their bodies are usually covered with hair, which either occurs over their entire body or is restricted to particular areas. They have fleshy external ears or pinna. They develop teeth. Mammals have mammary glands. They care for their young. Mammals are warm-blooded. Let us summarize what we learned about the classes of the phylum chordata. The 5 classes of phylum chordata are Pisces or fish, amphibians, Reptilia, Aves or birds, and Mammalia. Pisces or fish are aquatic. Their bodies are covered by scales and they have gills to breathe and gases exchange. Amphibians can live both on land and in water. Their skins are soft, slimy, and naked without scales, and they breathe through their gills, lungs, and skin or buccal cavity. Reptilians are terrestrial animals, but some are aquatic, with dry and scaly skin. Breathing and gases exchange take place through lungs. Aves or birds are covered with feathers. They have lungs for breathing and gases exchange, and they lay hard-shelled eggs. Mammals are usually covered with hair. They have fleshy external ears or pinnae, and they develop teeth. Mammals have mammary glands, and they care for their young. Viewers, before I sign off, I would like to ask you a few questions to reflect on today's work and to test your understanding. 1. State the 5 classes of phylum chordata. 2. Describe 2 differences between the features of the classes Aves and mammals. 3. Explain in which ways mammals differ from other 4 classes. That's all for today. Now we know where to place ourselves in the phylum chordata. Until we meet next time, see you soon.